ADC. Arise for action. Thank you. Yejuazu yama Adwan Bwangba. Yejikia ejekali sika. Moluma yebala nana nyamyasi ene ibuke manu imayela. Biako koma Adwanbo ezuavleni. Biako koma Amediema, don't push me. Amediema, free the youth. You never see Philip Pale. Look, you do Sally Evely Bella. But I come bring ya on her pale. Ben ye a junko, okay, you could see your boy. Now, Boko bia mo okay Yesu anazula. Yeah. Muti never see Philip Pale. But also no. Koti ya ADC yes. Yazika don ereho, ikudon ereho. Da ADC gala. Emo ya soko. ADC senior. Seklo englo ADC or senior. ADC nkugbazo olowo ikudon. Okozo kuya udon. Ye koti ya ba kweyele, ya ba jonko, ya ba hunpale. Ya ba abua. Ama kesi ekuneke Adwanbo yela. Yenya izahani. Oti ADC yeseda hu ibuke yesenu. Bia ma onyi die ADC ahola. Ola. Onwi your sister Simo. Your brother Simo. Nwa bia oba nwila. Oba luogozo yaga ADC nenu. Oti there's the DK a coaching and they don't push me. Ben ye ajonko wo elkabi. Ko se coaching. They say Adwanbo and Yuholitia, the coaching okay. He says, I hired the dia, a mere coaching. Yeba Hupale, Bakoyele, Eva, you lua Adwanboki. Na is easy Adwanbo case more, you coaching a Pendela. He did decay. You coaching a Zania, Adwanbo will be a better place for us all. Case me a Pendacoy Biala, or why is a honey am I? Coach me a hebo. You go to the vehicle, Bianil Cabia, the coaching the vehicle, but we are here bon. Now, is ye Adwanbo Kissimo, a Peleke is yella. More Mujacomolia Yole. Come on, Zilla, say, could don't echo. The dear decay, don't push more Igala, or Mongo, or Bayadanazi. What's don't push me. Begla bad nazi babu ke kumo yesi etrazi na ba nyu vola yamba Adwanbola kotiame atrazi moli amuzikra ADC say media don't push me ele bukebe ekunwa na ba du salve player hula guys haniala moti biti senu envelope mo ko jiko yebo le ko che